Hello everyone, RuneSmith here. I've just finished pinning these 4 locks up. Haven't even tried to pick them yet, but I got a bulk delivery of these Cisa 5-pin halves, and I thought this would be a good opportunity to make a training set. The plan is I can lend this out to friends and new people who want to learn specific pins and how to pick them. They're quite easy. It's got a fairly simple warding keyway. So I have spools. So it's got 1 standard and 4 spools. Serrated, I think it's got all serrated, or maybe 1 standard, and I've just finished doing it and I can't remember, but serrated, mushrooms, and this one's mixed. So this has spool, serrated, mushroom, spool, and then it's got a serrated spool at the front. Yeah. And they've got all standard key pins. So I'm going to get these up in a vise and see how they pick, and you can join me. Okay, and because I've made these for beginners to practice on, I'm going to go with one of my EDC sets which I mentioned the other day, which could also be seen as a beginner set. I've just got a half diamond and a shallow. It should be a half diamond and a deep, really, because the half diamond covers what the short hook covers as well. But let's go with this Southward bendy. Actually, this one's decent. So, and we'll go with this normal 2-in-1 tensioner. I'm going to go top of the keyway just in case I need to get underneath something that's difficult to get under. Pin 1 should, there we go, full set. Counter rotation on 2, nothing on 3, 4, 5's giving us counter rotation. Let's see if we can get up there. That felt like a click. Start from the beginning. 1's obviously set, 2's okay, 3, 4 is giving us, there we go. Let's see where we are. 1's set, 2's okay, 3's okay, 4 feels set, now it's getting underneath to get to 5. Got 5, but some others dropped. From the top, I guess. That's 1. Oh, there we go. So there we go. Decent spool training. Got a lot of counter rotation in there. So next up, we've got serrated, and I can't remember whether it's all serrated or 4 of them are serrated. I think it's all. And there we go. There's a lot of clicks to find, and I think that's great training for spools. Great training for serrated pins. Now these are mushroom spools, and it shouldn't be much different from the spool. And there we go. So that's your mushrooms. They are just like spools, but they like to feel different. They like to act like standard pins. So the standard pin isn't necessarily going to give you the full set that you're looking for. And this is the final challenge, the mixed modes. It's got 2 spools, 1 mushroom, 1 serrated, and 1 serrated spool. And there we go. Mixed modes sorted. It's good because I felt some spools, I felt a mushroom, I felt some serrations. So let me know what you think. I will be lending these out for the UK pickers to start with, so if there's anyone in the UK that's fairly new and wants to practice different types of pins, let me know. I'll be happy to send these out to you. Thanks for watching.